Alright, gang, y'all see we got our brake drums right here, guys. Hit them with a little sand blasting. And I got me some Rust-Oleum high performance rust preventive right here. I'm gonna apply it to them. Nice red there, huh? Alright, one full coat there. Touch it, let that dry, come back, touch it up some. Y'all see it, gang, just a little part of the day. Gotta strip this all pan down so I can get ready to bring him to the scrap yard, collect me a little funds off, try to recycle everything back into our pockets, you know.
Take all your screws out the filter. And we'll be clean aluminum, baby. Get that top money for that.
Gang, what's down, baby? You hear me? Y'all see what's popping today. I'm gonna show y'all how we install this here trim, the door seals. Y'all see we got a door lock in. I actually put a door handle in while I was scratching my paint because we got a little tab on the passenger side. We had to cut off of that. I wish I would have did it before I try to install it, but it's all good, baby. Probably wind up painting the whole car. Anyway, you see we got one seal done. I'm gonna show y'all how we put that seal on and hopefully get some other stuff done. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you hear me? Y'all know that grind ain't stopping, baby. I'm trying to get it out here. Tune in, hit the like button for me. Yeah, let's get it. The random. What up, YouTube? Mr. Random checking in, baby. Today we got a quick little video. Y'all see we got us a package here that came in. So I'm gonna see what's going on with this. Hopefully we can try to get it installed, y'all. Appreciate y'all for stopping by, tuning in. I'm trying to knock this thing out so I can have it on the road for Christmas. Be able to enjoy my Christmas and give myself a little Christmas gift, you know. Y'all know how that go. You gotta treat yourself every once in a while. Fellas who out there working real hard, paying the bills, getting stuff done, you know, sometimes you gotta spend a little money on yourself, treat yourself. So I'm gonna show y'all what we got here. So appreciate y'all for stopping by once again. If you're new to the channel, y'all know what to do. If you're not, just make sure you got that bell on and stay tuned if you enjoy what we're doing. If not, that's cool too, because the grind don't stop, y'all. So with that being said, let's get it. Let's see what we got here, guys. Y'all see what that is? Something that we've been waiting on. Something that we've been waiting on. Y'all see it? Coolant overflow. And I had one on this vehicle before, but I don't know what happened to it, to be honest with you. Do not know what happened. So I believe it actually goes where those holes are lined up. So we're gonna have to switch that up and try to do something a little different here. I guess I could probably mount it in this shit area, maybe something like this. But y'all see why we couldn't put it where the holes go, because our pipe in here is stopping us. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just drill me 2 holes so we can mount it, probably about right there, and that should be plenty clearance for us to, you know, get get that hood closed. Y'all see it came with the cap, so I'll just have to run me a piece of hose from that nipple right there down to our bottom. So let's go ahead on and get him installed, see what else we could get done today. Y'all see I just marked me 2 holes, 2 spots, one right there. I got another one right here. I'm just gonna drill those and apply me a nut washer. That ought to get it. Alright gang, so what I did first, I wiped down the surface of the door and I'm gonna apply a line vertical on each side of the door. I ain't worried about the bottom. So I got this here 3M weather stripping glue. Y'all see that? Just gonna apply me a little bit right on this edge right here and ride him all the way down. That's enough right there. Now, I'm gonna show y'all what we do next. Show y'all what we do next to get this here thing installed. You see your door trim? Wow, you're gonna go just like that. All you wanna do, I remove my old clips. The new clips already come on the trim. So you just wanna stick him in place. Get him stuck in there pretty good. Go ahead, stick him in here nice and good, gang. Get them stuck all up in there, guys. You see that? That's all you want to do. It wasn't hard at all. Wasn't hard at all, gang. Now, come around to that bottom. Start sticking your bottom in. Bottom trim. Y'all see it, how it's going. Stick him right up in there. Work it around to the front of your door. Alright? So, I done worked it all the way to that corner, guys. You worked in all the way to the corner. Gotta give me some screws to lock him in place. And once I do that, I'll apply me some glue upon this corner. You see that? Now, you wanna do the same thing on this here corner. So you just apply your glue. See that? And the same with this here corner here. I'll put me a little bit more once I get my screws in place and get ready to seal him down. Like I said, I'll come back, hit that corner, hit this here corner. You see we got our door locks in. Now notice this here side on this door handle. This one here didn't have that notch on it, so we can actually go ahead on and lock him down in place. So this one here looks pretty good. It's not scuffed like that other one was. I might hit that other one with a coat of paint. I actually wanted to paint that other one with the same color paint that I'm gonna paint this here door seal, the door trim with up top. So I'm gonna hold off on this. I'm gonna hold off on it, and I'm gonna paint them all together. Show y'all how we get that done.
is that Jambo?
What is that place for us? Kicking up corners.